Article in the series, I have combined my last 4 news portions from September through December. Here we take a quick look at each of the last 4 monthly topics: minerals and metals, India, gold, and water. First up is minerals and metals. Every once in a while a major opportunity comes along. There's always a power shift that occurs with that opportunity, and there's always an ingredient that is core for this to happen. Through the years, we've seen such shifts in agriculture, energy, transportation, and computing, and we're now witnessing the next shift with this growth explosion in the developing part of the world. They're generating a never-ending demand for electric components, infrastructure, manufacturing plants, and increasingly affluent consumers. It will be all about minerals and metals. Number 2, a focus on India, where business is booming. You hear a lot about China, less about India. This is the world's 3rd fastest growing economy. It's expanding by about 8.5%. While American consumers are burdened by high levels of debt and joblessness, India's urban class are eager to spend their newfound wealth. They want what we've had for a long time. 3rd is gold. Gold prices have continued to climb, and they're at record-breaking levels. They show no signs of letting up. Industry analysts and bankers recently predicted gold would climb about 13% next year. Talk has resumed of the world's wealthy stocking up on bullion, and demand for vault space to store gold is growing. It's so intense that J.P. Morgan Chase is reopening an underground New York vault that has been closed since the early 1990s. 4th and final is the global water industry. It's now a $460 billion market. As population grows, pollution increases, supplies become less available. Analysts have dubbed this, as a matter of fact, they call it the blue gold because of its immense profit potential. For all the talk about oil and natural gas and electricity, they pale in comparison to the importance of water. 97% of the water on the earth is seawater. Just 3% is fresh water for human consumption. Aquifers around the world are drying up. It's a very real possibility that peak water will arrive before peak oil. Now, in all 4 of those, Canada is well positioned for demand. We have what they want, as I mentioned earlier. And as always, my preferred method of investment is by way of individual companies or through sector indexes, also known as exchange-traded funds. Here you will have the most control, the most liquidity, and the lowest cost. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye now.